Breaking news right now. Can I just request you to stay on with me? In fact, this is the Delhi High Court now, which has said that the Delhi government has failed to protect the right to life of its citizens. The High Court has said that we would like to put it on record our complete helplessness in this situation. Remember, the High Court of Delhi has been continuously taking up the shortage of the oxygen in the national capital. Many hospitals have also approached the Delhi High Court, Nalini. So it's just not the center. The Supreme Court has asked some very scathing question to the Modi government. The Delhi High Court has put this on record. They are helpless and they have put the onus on the government of Delhi for the loss of life of the citizens.
You know, Ankit, if we are being completely honest, then the hearings before the Delhi High Court are getting extremely emotional and extremely sentimental, because for the past 3 days, we've had advocates that have been breaking down before the court, trying to ask for help either for fellow advocates or for their family members. Today, the Bar Council of Delhi senior advocate Ramesh Gupta also broke down before the bench of the Delhi High Court, saying that he was getting news of almost 20 lawyers passing away daily, but the Bar Council was not able to provide any support because there was nothing available out in the market. So keeping that in mind, the Delhi High Court, after a detailed hearing, and it's day 9 of the hearing in the High Court today, so every day they've been sitting well past their assigned court hours just to hear the matter in complete detail. They've gone ahead and said that the government of Delhi has completely failed in protecting the right of life for its citizens, and that the court is helpless to an extent, that they are not able to do anything in this case, and they're not able to help the citizens that are approaching the High Court for help. They've also recorded in their order that they're not going to be passing any orders regarding individual appeals for either beds or oxygen cylinders, because that's going to open a floodgate of petitions before the High Court.
Nalini, thank you for joining us with all those details. The Supreme Court and the High Courts coming to the rescue, or maybe the lack of word. I can't use rescue, but at least hearing the massive grievances of the citizens, those who have been left to fend for themselves. Fight, every individual right now fighting a lonely battle to try and make sure that they survive, and so do their loved ones. The governments, ladies and gentlemen, seems to have completely failed us. Quick break at this moment. On the other side, we'll shift focus to stories which are in fact coming in from Uttar Pradesh, from Rajasthan. We'll also get you reports on the oxygen train. A power packed next half hour also here on India Today.